the salute. Present arms. Guards, shoulder arms.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Henrik Sedring, the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Kingdom of Sweden to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Excellency, His Majesty the King of Sweden has addressed to you, Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Sweden to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Majesty the King, the government and the people of Sweden, our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Something that
Thank you very much.
Vikings do, they have their water vessels where they come.
Oh, how beautiful.
It's made from clay.
To have that in the boat maybe, or when you
Yes,
travel.
travel long distances.
Good. Well, how beautiful. Thank you very much.
Please.
Thank you.